Hey guys, in this video we will crochet this cute daisy top. I will use cotton yarn of 3 colors, crochet hooks 3.5mm, scissors and the needle. Take the yellow yarn, make a magic ring, single crochet 8 times into the ring. Then tighten it, slip stitch into the first single crochet, and chain 1. Now make 2 single crochet into each stitch. When you get 16 single crochet by the end of this round, make a slip stitch, then chain 1 and cut the yarn. Take the milk yarn or white yarn, insert the hook in one of the stitches and chain 3. Then we make 2 clusters into the same stitch. So how to make them? We start like the double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook, and now you have 2 loops on the hook. So we repeat, yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, pull through, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then pull through all the loops that you have on the hook. Then we chain 2, skip 1 stitch and repeat the clusters. So let me show you again in slow mode how to make them. Yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook, then again yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook. Now chain 2, skip 1 stitch and make 3 clusters in the next one. And then repeat till the end, which is 6 more times, and in total you will get 8 petals. When you're done, make a slip stitch. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Take the blue yarn, insert the hook into any chain 2 spaces and chain 3. Make 2 double crochet, chain 2, and now make 3 double crochet. After that, make 3 half double crochet into the next chain 2 space. Then 3 double crochet into the next chain 2 space. Chain 2, 3 more double crochet into this chain 2 space. Three half double crochet into the next chain 2 space. Then 3 double crochet into the next chain 2 space. Chain 2 and again 3 double crochet. Three half double crochet into the next chain 2 space. Three double crochet into the next chain 2 space. Chain 2, 3 more double crochet, and 3 half double crochet into the last chain 2 space. Slip stitch, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Take again the milk or white yarn, insert the hook in any of the stitches, chain 1 and then single crochet into the same stitch, and then single crochet around. Into the chain 2 spaces, which are our corners, we make 2 single crochet. At the end, make a slip stitch and cut the yarn. This is the main element. You will need to repeat this process multiple times. How many do you need? For my size, which is approximately M, I crocheted 72 pieces, and here I'm attaching the skein, so you can also measure and understand how many pieces you need. And when you have enough, we can use the needle to stitch the squares together. I'm going to use the back loops of each square, and also in the description I will attach the detailed video where you can see how to stitch the sides, so it's not really visible. So now we are just stitching the squares together as was shown in the scheme. So you can pause the video and I will meet you after. So here is my top. It took me quite long time to stitch all the squares together, and now I'm going to hide all the ends of the yarns that I have with the scissors and the needle. And after that, let's try it on, finally. I hope it was useful. You can hit the like, subscribe to my channel and check other tutorials that I have. In case of any questions or suggestions, let me know in the comments.